Hey everybody, so I picked up some items from Cal Ranch Supply Store. So please stick around, check out the items, and I'll see you guys there. Got a couple Techn items, and a little bit more. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you there. Hey everybody, how's it going today? So, I went to Cal Ranch Supply Store, and they're only located in a few states: Idaho, Utah, Nevada, and Arizona. I do like going to that store. They have a huge selection of stuff. They're like 5 or 6 times bigger than Tractor Supply, and they've got like dedicated sections for power tool brands, Milwaukee and DeWalt, and they got everything you could think of. You know, they got feed and animal food, horse, you know, stuff for horses, hay, dog food, cat food. They got paint buckets and tools. They got hand tools. They carry a lot of Techn. They have an aisle dedicated to nothing but Techn tools. And they've got a Milwaukee aisle and a DeWalt aisle. They have a dedicated still aisle. So I really like going there. I get a lot of my still items from them, and I get a lot of Techn items from them. And I did not know that they had Gamma Seal lids, which are these poppable lids that you could pop onto 5-gallon, 2 to 7-gallon paint buckets. And I really I've been looking at these on Amazon for a while. If it's 3.5 to 7-gallon buckets, that's right there. They're made in the USA, which is awesome. And they had them really cheap. It was like $8 or it was $7.99 is what I paid for them. And I grabbed an orange one for one of the Home Depot buckets over there. And I already installed the green one. I actually installed it in the store. And this is a Cal Ranch bucket. Cal Ranch store. A ranch and home store and so much more. They have like a crap ton of really good, not cheap, pretty pricey clothing too. Some major brands in clothing, and shoes and all kinds of stuff. Cowboy boots. They have designer cowboy hats. But I grabbed an orange lid and I grabbed a green lid. And let me put you guys down so I can open the bucket. And we're gonna pull what's in the bucket out, because I didn't just grab a bucket and 2 lids. That one there, and they had every single one of these colors. They had white, black, red, green, blue, yellow, orange. So what I put in the bucket are some items that I picked up, and I'm gonna move the bucket to the side, and we're gonna focus on these items. There, so now it won't fall on. Alright. Alright, so I picked up 10-inch Techn angle nose slip joints. They'll do up to 2 inches. I also picked up Tekton 7 3/4 inch nut jaw pliers. And I'll give you guys the information on the part numbers in a second. I grabbed the 5-inch pair of angle nose slip joints. These are little baby guys. They do up to 1/2 inch max. And these guys right here do up to 2 inch. I also picked up another pair of slip joints. These are another pair of angle nose slip joints, but these are 7-inch. These do 7/8 max. And I picked up in the entertaining words of Junk from Work, which I will put his channel up here because he's a great guy, and the Greek Mechanic, you know, he's a pretty entertaining guy as well. And I'll also put, you know, maybe one of his videos up here in a card, you know, entertaining video of his. But in the fun, entertaining words of Junk from Work, George, awesome. I picked up a 3/4 universal joint. I thought it'd be fun to do that. You know, if anybody found that entertaining, let me know. You know, hey George, you know, let me know down below. Was it pretty good? But this is a Techn chromed 3/4 inch drive universal joint, or as everybody else in, you know, England says, 3/4. It's very nice. I was playing with it in the store. It's actually loose. It was really stiff when I was playing with it, but I really like Tekton's tools. I have a crap ton of their pliers, all kinds of pliers, needle nose, duck bills, you know, angled, smooth jaw, serrated jaws. This guy, this 3/4, is part number SHA32103, Sam Henry Anderson, or Alpha 32103. It says do not use with impact drivers, but you know, most people, they do. They use them with impact drivers. I'll try my very hardest not to put it on at impact, but you know, who knows? You might have no choice and you're gonna put it on one anyways. It says the actual address on here is 3707 Roger B. Chaffee, Southeast Grand Rapids, Minnesota. Grand Rapids. Is it Minnesota? No, I think Grand Rapids is in Michigan. Yeah, Michigan. It says made in Taiwan. It's really nice though. The other one, the next one, I'll just put these in right here. The 5-inch angled nose, tiny little baby slip joints that say 1/2-inch drive on them is the largest. It says made in USA. Yeah, bringing some more USA made stuff to the channel, guys. Let me know if you guys like the USA made stuff on the channel. Part number for this guy is PGA 16005, Paul Greg Alpha 16005. Angle teeth offer a sure bite. Nut and bolt fastener allow fine tuning of tension. Slip joint design adjusts to 3 positions. Same address, but at the bottom of this one it says made in USA. The next one is 7-inch angled nose slip joints. These go up to a max of 7/8. Part number is PGA 16007, Paul Granger Alpha 16007. These are also made in America. Same information on the back. Angled teeth offer sure bite. Nut and bolt fastening allow fine tuning. Slip joint just to 3 positions. Same address, and it also states made USA on the back. This one says 2018 Techn Inc. This one says 2018 Techn Inc. This guy says 2019 Techn Inc. So I'm assuming this guy's a lot newer. The 7 3/4 inch nut driver, just kidding, nut jaw, pair of Pliers is part number PGF40007. It does say on here made in USA as well. I don't recall all the other pliers I've bought. I don't recall if the package ever stated those were made in the USA. It's a possibility they were. It shows square head, round pipe, and hex nuts and bolts on the package. It says jaw capacity 5/16 all the way up to 9/16. High leverage parrot jaw, grips rounded fasteners, nuts, and pipes. Always guaranteed. Same address, and says made in America. 2018, so everything that's made in America says 2018 on the back. And the part number, I don't think I read it, but if I didn't, Paul Greg Frank 40007 on that guy. The biggest pair I got is a pair of 10-inch Techn angled nose slip joints. These do up a max of 2 inches. Shows a made in America on it. Part number is Paul Greg Alpha 16010 or PGA 16010. Information on the back is nut and bolt fastening, allows fine tuning of tension, just like the other angled slip joints. Angled teeth, slip joint design. Same address, made in America on the back. 2018 Tekton ink. And I grabbed the 3 sizes of slip joints that they had because they didn't have a lot of pliers available. And they actually had the same amount of pliers since the last time I went, which was the last video I recorded of all those different, needle nose, angled needle nose, smooth jaw, serrated jaw, and all those that I grabbed last time. This pair right here was sitting there the last time, and so was this one and this one. They didn't have any other sizes other than the 5, the 7, and the 10. But these are all the same type of slip joint with the rounded edges. The teeth are actually very nice on all of these. They're very, very nice. But all the type of slip joints that I have, they're all straight up. None of them are angled. And I don't use pliers like that, extremely heavily. I don't use them quite often. I use them every once in a while. And when I do use them, they get abused because I had no choice, but I just needed them no matter what. That's the only thing that would get the job done. And the teeth on these guys look really nice as well. And these twist ties, I don't remember. I don't think they are. Grab something to cut them open. I don't want this video to be like way too much longer, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Being a little more upbeat. Maybe that's why I don't get a crap ton of views. Maybe it's because I'm not like always ecstatic or extremely happy, but I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me and seeing what's going on in my world for the day. They're a little stiff, but nothing a little lube can't help. It is really nice to see that all of these are made in America. These slip joints are very smooth for the 7-inch. Very smooth. I do like that they have a nut, so you can tighten them if they get too loose. Not all slip joints come with a bolt and a nut anymore. These cutters are dull. This one also comes with a nut. This one's a hex shaped nut. This one actually only has 2 flat sides. The rest is round. These are very, very smooth. These are going to come in handy for them little tiny areas. Little tiny items. And this guy, all the slip joints are nice and smooth. They slide very freely, no issues. They do have a little grease on them. This one also has a hex style nut. Looks like there's a little flashing on the bolt though. Doesn't look like it was. Yeah, it's got a lot of flashing. It's not, you know, but pretty great quality for what they do provide. End up probably knocking the camera over trying to take this out. Oh, look, they already came in handy. Definitely gonna get a lot of use out of this 3/4 universal joint. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully the video was a little more entertaining and you guys had fun following along. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates, or smush that bell notification icon if you guys want to see future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as go check out that live stream if you guys want to go check it out, that I did on the live Milwaukee NPS 2020 event that was labeled as Pipeline. I left links for Ohio Power Tools as well as links for Acme Power Tools. If you guys are Acme Tools Power Tools, Acme Tools, if you guys want to go check out or pre-order any of the new Milwaukee tools coming out, appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Is it a really nice 3/4? Yes, very nice. Peace!